Hey, Team Indy, happy Wednesday. Hope all of you had an awesome Tuesday. You were able to sled ride, something fun out there yesterday. Can't wait to be back in school tomorrow on our Google Live Meets, see everyone in person. So, for today's Asynchronous Wednesday, what I'd like you to do is make sure you catch up on your Monday and Tuesday assignments. So, within the instructions that I've provided you, there are links for Monday and Tuesday. Monday was the Desmos lesson. Yesterday, there were two IXL assignments that I wanted you to work on. Some of you completed both of them, some of you completed one, and today you could work on that other one, and then others still need to start both of them. So please just let me know if you have any questions. We can meet on a Google Meet Live. Yesterday, I met with a few students just to help them out. We used the Jamboard, and I think it worked out really well. Again, just message me. Also, once you are done watching this video, you're going to take a look. There's two short videos down below here. It's in regards to Imagine Math, and it's just explaining to you the different parts of Imagine Math and how it can be beneficial to us, and also how you can use the live tutor within it. So what I'm going to do is, just to remember, if you need just a refresher, you could just go into Clever. So here's just Clever's website, or you can go into, I'm going to go to NSIS CMSD, and once you're in our main website, you're going to scroll over to the right side over here. Get rid of this information up top. Student resources, and you're going to go down to Clever. And when you click Clever here, the next part, you're going to sign in with Gmail. Now, once you sign in to the Clever, you'll see different maybe apps, but you're going to want to choose, obviously, Imagine Math. And you're then going to come into this area, and this is a fake screen name, but as soon as I logged into this today, it popped up and said, you're ready to take the benchmark 2 math exam, or it just said, it's pretty much wanting you to start it right off the bat. So what I want you to do is try a few of the problems, work them out in your notebook, pretend it's a test. I just want to see that you started these problems. You don't have to, I think there's 30. You do not have to do all 30. You don't, if you want to take that time and do that, awesome. Then I'm able to give you feedback immediately. But I just want you to make sure you're going into it to see that you're able to sign in, because we still have some students that I need to make sure that they can sign in and do this. Just remember, this is mandate. The district is requiring us to do this. So I just want you to make sure. I want to see where you're at, and that's something that they're able to see where you're at too, especially next year if you're maybe wanting to get into advanced math in 7th grade and so forth. But we can kind of talk about that more. But once you're in here, remember, you could click one of these assignments, these dots, and then you can hit start. I'm trying to get rid of the pre-quiz portion because that seems like where most of our time is getting taken up. And that should be something that just gets done very quickly. You either know it or you don't. And after that, the warm up is a game of some sort, and then guided learning is within it. Now, once you go into the guided learning, this is where if you're having some trouble, so if I go into, let's go to start. Let's see if I can move over to see, I'm not able to go to the guided learning on here. So I'm going to pull over to my page. So this is my own account for Mr. Petruska. And when I go into, let's go to Lesson Explorer. When I go into a topic and we go to warm-up game, guided, once I'm in guided learning, if I'm working through these problems and maybe having some trouble to solve them, okay, you're going to go through all this. You could go over to the math help. If you're looking at this, absolute value, okay, all right, I see, I'm still trying, I'm not understanding it. Then I go to help number 2. All right, I'm still not understanding it after this one. And again, this can read to you. Okay, and maybe I'm still not understanding it. That's when you can go over to this Imagine Math teacher. Effort is important. First, study both helps, then try and answer. If you still have questions, you can work with an Imagine Math teacher. So what happens is a chat box comes up and you're able to directly speak with someone through a chat, and they're able to help you. It's an actual live math tutor. So again, try to use this tool whenever you're needing it. Now, what I can always do is I can assign you specific topics, but how we have it set up right now is it's just going through different topics through sixth grade. And I just want you to realize that you're able to do this. So going back into Wednesday, again, Monday and Tuesday assignments, great job for everyone who's completed those. Head into today, clever, go to Imagine Math, do a few of the problems. If you get through that, you don't forget you have your Team Indy weekly IXL assignments. Check the missing assignment board. In our Team Indy folder through Schoology, you have still a lot of topics that you could go into. I know a good bit of you are enjoying listening to the podcasts, although I know for my homeroom tomorrow, we'll listen to that. Other homerooms are a little bit different. There's a lot of different games within it. There's drawings that Mrs. Haddix adds into it. So take your time. Again, here's our Team Indy. You should all have this up in your courses. If you don't, please let us know, because I know last week there was someone in my homeroom who did not, and I don't know what happened, but here's that. Then you can go through IXL topics, team time. Team time has some Valentine's Day cards, fun drawing videos, winter drawings. There's so much. And if you find stuff that you and your classmates are really enjoying, let us know so that I can place that in here as a link or a slide. But everyone have a wonderful Wednesday. Please message me. We can go over different topics. We can chat about different things. And I hope all of you have a wonderful day. See you, Team Indy.